Now once the eggs have come to a boil, take it off the heat and put it to the side and put a lid on it. They're going to continue to cook in there. My potatoes are still going. That happened right there because I was trying to mix it. Not mix it, but get the ones from the bottom. So those are still going. Let's see real quick. So always keep in mind that the bottom ones are always going to cook quicker. So let's just check it out. So nope. Let's go check out the... So you'll get some of these little ones too. Oh, nope, not yet. So those are going to keep going, okay? Now, if you have small potatoes mixed in your batch, like this one, see, you don't want it to crack. You don't want it to break through all the way. So you can start eliminating the small ones, because I do have really big ones in here as well. So let's move them. Okay, now just a quick tip. You don't want it to get like this. This is already overcooking. So, just to let you know, kind of know what to keep an eye out. So I'm going to keep removing the small ones.